welcome to our channel. Today I want to talk a little bit about minimalism, and I just want to give you guys a quick tour of our minimalist home. If you don't know anything about us, we're a family of 5. Over the years we've moved around a lot. My husband and I run a business together. We like to travel. We leave sometimes for months and come back and move into a different house. We've lived in all kinds of different houses. We've lived Airbnb to Airbnb for months and months. We've lived in very small homes for like extended periods, living in Hawaii for several months, moving back, living in tiny homes. And so I have no idea how long we're actually going to be in the house we're in now, but I want to show you guys our home and how we keep it very minimal with a large family. I'll show you everything in our house, all the bedrooms, inside the cabinets, inside the drawers. And yeah, thank you guys for being here. Okay, so here we are, and welcome to our home. Lifestyle for about 4 years. First discovered it actually like kind of by accident, and it has been one of the best things that has happened to me, definitely, and I think for our whole family. It has given us such a different perspective on a different way to live your life, and I think it has lifted such a heavy burden that I think a lot of people feel. In our society, there's a heavy emphasis on consumerism and materialism, and it just makes you feel like so much pressure to accumulate things and basically like keeping up with the Joneses. But minimalism is like an exit from that way of thinking. And so for me, like, I feel like it's been such a blessing in my life. If there is one thing I have learned about minimalism is it's a shift in your mentality. It's not about how you decorate your house or how empty you can make it look or anything like that. Owning things that make you happy and that you use consistently. There was a time where I went a little overboard and I got rid of so much stuff that we had just so little in our house. It was almost like ridiculous. I feel like I have found like a really good balance of practical and minimal, and it really feels like a good happy medium balanced place. If you're just like new to minimalism, there's so many great resources. There's Facebook groups, there's documentaries, there's tons and tons of YouTube videos now. So if you're here on our video, thank you for watching. We have posted several like different minimalist home tours over the years in our different places, so you could even check those out. I'll link those below as well. So I have no idea how long we're going to be living in this house. We're just renting it for now. So I mean, the way we are, like, we could literally be living in another country next year. Like, I have no idea. Probably not, but that would be cool. I don't know how long we'll be here, but this is just one of our other like minimalist home tours. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please give us a like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We love you guys.